Okay, everybody, let's pay attention here. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
We are back again with the 3 new expressions, 2 phrases, and 1 sentence structure, which is an interesting. Okay. So, we'll start from bottom. These are easy ones, and I've written the essence of it, means the meaning of it as well. So, starting from bottom. That makes 2 of us. What does it mean? It means me too. Or I also feel the same, or I agree with you. Let's say Gulabsha shared, I want to go for a party. I am replying to her. That makes 2 of us. Means I also want to do that.
Another thing is so am I.
Yes, you can use so am I as well, which we learned earlier. Okay.
Is there any difference between them?
Yes, so am I is like neutral feeling, but this you can show with the excitement or the same feeling. Okay. But like they mean same. Okay. So am I or that makes 2 of us, they are same. Next one, that's news to me. So it is a better way to say that I did not know about it or I had no idea about it. Okay. So like for example, I shared there are many people who will not come today. So Ravi said that's news to me. Means she did not know about it. Otherwise she would have also taken holiday.
It use only past. It is new.
When you get to know something and you had no idea about it, so you can share that's news to me. Means it is related to right now. That I did not know anything earlier, like now I got to. Say I am sharing that many people are absent. So now you know it, earlier you did not know. So that's news to me means earlier you did not know but now you got to. Okay. What is the meaning of news? News means like any information which we get to know. So like earlier you did not know but now you know about it. Okay. So it is used for present, that in present you did not know about it but now you got it. Next is I beg to differ. It is similar to I disagree. So, but it is a better way to say that I disagree with you. Okay. So generally people use it in discussion or debate. That I beg to differ. You shared a point and I can share my point, so I can share I beg to differ. Okay. So means I disagree with you. If you say directly I disagree, so it sounds a little awkward or rude as well. So that time we can use I beg to
Or
differ.
we can say I don't agree with you.
You are right. I don't agree. I disagree. They are a little rude to say in polite conversations. That is why this is a formal phrase which you can use. I beg
I
to
have
differ.
question. I am not agree with you is not correct.
No, I do not agree with it.
Why?
I shared it earlier. See,
In
agree.
last class.
Agree is a verb. Okay. So if you use am, so whenever we use isma, it becomes ing.
But
And agree is not an action verb. So you can't use it.
stative word.
It is a static verb. So that is why I am not agree is not used. I do not agree is used. Next one is live up to. So live up to is used as per the expectations, standards you can say, or like quality when it meets. In that case you can say lives up to. For example, I went to watch a movie, any recent movie, but my expectations were higher and it did not meet my expectations. So I can say the movie did not live up to the expectations or my expectations. So live up to means meet my expectations. Okay. Let me give another example of any product. So let's say I got a phone and the quality which I was expecting, it met. So I can say the phone lived up to my expectations. So means it is meeting my expectations.
You get good expectations.
So like if it meets, so you can say lives up to expectation. If it does not, so you can say did not live up to my expectation or does not live up to my expectation. So live up to means meet.
Positive.
If you want to make it negative, so use do not, does not, did not. Okay. It is not necessarily that expectation will be there. Standards can also be there. That it is meeting standards. Okay. Meeting quality. In that case also you can say the phone lived up to the quality. Okay. Next one is layout. Now you must have heard many people saying the word fire. But fire is not used at the formal places. When you go in corporate sectors, they use a better phrase, that is layoff. Okay, so many layoffs took place recently. So means why layoff means firing people. Okay, and the past form will be laid off. So like there are many companies which laid off a lot of people these days, or like recently. So laid off means they fired many people. Yes, actually without any reason also they fired. So instead of saying they fired others, you can say they laid off others.
I asked you a question. What can we use last?
You cannot see layoff we use for those who are working for us. If they are working for us, so then you can say layoff. Like I'm removing them from the job. But people who are students are not working for me. Okay. So if I remove them, so I should use the word remove. Okay, not layoff.
There is one more word, na, sir. Like,
Teacher is working
This
for
is
us.
fire.
some student misbehave and principal.
Still they remove them. Okay, see, for student expel is a word. So like you can't lay off people. Lay off we use for those who are working for, but students are not working. Okay, so for them removing them you should not
Or
use it.
suspend.
Suspension is for some period of time. Expelling can also be like for some period of time or
Sir,
permanent.
what about like many honor 15 days के लिए करते हैं?
Okay, next one, little did I know. Now, it sounds like it is a question, but it is a statement. Okay. Little we are using in the beginning, that is why we are using a concept of inversion, like which we used earlier. Okay. Hardly did I know. It is similar to that meaning. Okay. So little did I know is also similar. What it means कि like मुझे थोड़ी पता था, या these kind of sentences like मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था या मुझे idea नहीं था. I had no idea. In these kind of sentences we use little did I know. So like for example, Gulabsha came in the classroom and she started saying, Sir, do you know Muskan did something? You spoke what she spoke, what she did, and then you saw here and then Muskan was sitting here only. Okay, so you are like, Sir, मुझे थोड़ी पता है कि वो यहीं बैठी है. So you can speak little did I know that she is sitting here only. Okay, so जब आप कहना चाहते हो कि like मुझे नहीं पता था, I had no idea about it, so you can say little did I know and then make that sentence. And here this sentence can be in any tense. Okay, मुझे नहीं पता था कि वो यहाँ बैठी होगी या बैठी थी, anything. Okay, you can make the sentence. This completely depends on what you want to say. Okay, and this means I had no idea. So if you want to replace it, you can also say I had no idea that, and then you can mention. So they will mean exactly same. Okay.
It is exact translation of Hindi sentence. मुझे थोड़ी पता था.
Yes.
Exact translation.
मुझे थोड़ी पता था, और you can also say मुझे क्या पता था कि वो यहीं बैठी होगी. Okay. So these kind of sentences we use. Generally, in this type of sentence, we use I would or would we use. मुझे थोड़ी पता था कि वो यहीं बैठी होगी. So little did I know that she would be sitting here. Okay. So like generally we use होगा होगी, so like future, but it is connected to past, so we use second form of will, would. So in most of the sentences you will find would, but you can use other tenses also. But most appropriate helping verb will be would. Okay. You want to make it continuous, you